Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Dear students, we are continuing the topic, uh, the types of drawing that we studied last lecture, that the first group of the types of drawings, which is called geometrical drawing, and all its types. Now we are discussing about the second group, and that is the second group is called the technical drawing. What is the technical drawing? What is the definition of the technical drawing? That is the definition. It is the branch of a drawing which deals with engineering based objects such as machines or machine parts with their application. It is known as technical drawing and having the following types. So, the technical drawing is a branch of a drawing which deals with engineering objects. Okay, we deals with the engineering objects, like there are the examples like machines, or it can be machine parts with their application, how they applied, how they work. That is called the technical drawing. If you have a type of drawing in which you see that the machines drawings, the machine part drawings, you can say it the technical drawing. Okay, now we will discuss about more its types in the group of technical drawing. The first type is design layout drawing. What is a design layout? This type of drawing consists an initial sketches. The first necessary point is it have sketches. Sketches are those which are the starting of design, where we cannot, we never use the drawing instruments like T square, set square. Only we use the uh, pencil or rubber. The first stage of the drawing is the sketches, which are required for making a formal drawing. After that, we can help, we can increase the sketches into the formal drawing, and having sufficient information. And there, when we are completing the drawing, it has the more informations, so as to help the drafter. ठीक है? Okay, it can help the drafter for making creation new designs. So you can say when a drawing is forming, when is a uh, drawing is completing, the first step is the design. Design are sketches. There can one or more sketches, uh, and we change in these sketches into the complete drawing, which have the informations. So the first step is the technical drawing is design layout. After that, the second type of the technical drawing is single part drawing. In this form of drawing, any number of views, one or two or three, are as required, are drawn for describing the shape and size of the simple component object. For clarifying the objects, this type of drawing is used. So when we are watching or seeing an object, we can we can view it from the one side or two or three, because there are the six surfaces of an object. An object has six surfaces, which are called the front, the back, the right side, left side, top and bottom. And when we see the six surfaces, we draw maximum the three. If we draw the front, then there is no need to draw its back. When we draw the top, we have no need to draw its bottom. When we draw the right side, then there is no need to draw the left side, because they are the common. Front is common to back, top is common to bottom, right side is common to left side. So we can draw the three views of an object. We can draw three surfaces of an object. Maximum we draw the three surfaces or three views in an object. And when we decide to draw it's one view, and we are sure that in one view the totally complete information about an object is is present in the one view, then it is called the one view drawing. Single part drawing, one view drawing. As you see in the example, this is called the one view drawing. This is called the one view drawing, and it is, and we are sure all the necessary information is here to draw one view drawing. Okay, and if we ensure that uh, one view is not in one view we cannot giving full information, then we can draw the two views, and that is called the two view drawing, and that is called the two view drawing. Then we draw the two surfaces or two views. Let we example, if a part is if a part we draw, and uh, we are not sure, full details are not available, then we will draw its two views, like front or top, like front or side. Okay, and if we draw an object views, and we are not competent that the full information is not available, then we can draw the maximum three views, like front, like top, or its one side. Okay, then three common will be neglected, will be ignored surfaces, and because they are common, we will neglect them, we will ignore them. Then we will draw the maximum three views of an object, like front, top, and its one side, if it can be right side or left side. So these are the called one view drawing. If we draw one view and full information is there about the machine part, about the machine, and when anyone see the drawing, and uh, he can understand all the drawing, all the component, then we will draw only one view drawing, one part, single part drawing. Okay, and we when we draw the two views, that is called the two view drawing. Okay, and if we draw the three maximum views, these are called the three view drawing. So we have discussed four types now. The one was design layout, What is the design layout? It depends on sketches. After sketches, we decide which sketch is better, and we will uh, convert into the formal drawing, which have sure shot, all the information about the any project, any design, any machine, any component. Okay, and if we are creating the object, we are drawing the object in one view, that will call the single part or one view drawing. If we draw the object in two views, it will call the two view drawing. And if we draw the maximum three views of an object, that will called the three view drawing. Okay, understand? If you have any problem in these four types, these are four types. Number one, design layout. Number two, one view. Number two, two view. And number four is three view. You can ask questions, okay? And okay, the page number was 5. The part B, the types of drawings. uh, Thank you so much. Okay.